Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how leading companies in various industries have implemented artificial intelligence, AI, and digital twins to optimize their operations, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. The image highlights the impact of these technologies on operational efficiency and how they help companies buy time, i.e., reduce the time required to complete critical processes. If you are interested in discovering how these solutions can transform your organization, stay until the end of the video. Siemens was facing frequent unexpected failures in its machinery, resulting in high costs and downtime. The challenge was to reduce unplanned downtime and optimize preventive maintenance. To achieve this, they used IoT sensors and digital twins to simulate the behavior of industrial equipment and predict failures before they occur. For example, in a power plant, turbine maintenance was adjusted to avoid unexpected shutdowns. The benefits obtained were a 20% reduction in downtime and savings of millions of dollars in repair costs. Unilever faced several challenges in optimizing its supply chain and reducing logistics costs. They needed to optimize transportation routes and reduce costs associated with product distribution. The solution adopted was the creation of digital twins of their distribution network and simulation of transportation scenarios with AI. For example, they were able to optimize delivery routes from their plant in Brazil, reducing costs and delivery times. The benefits derived were a 15% reduction in logistics costs and a 10% improvement in the timeliness of deliveries. Ford sought to reduce the time required to develop and validate new vehicle models. They faced the challenge of accelerating the product development cycle and reducing reliance on physical prototypes. The solution they implemented was the simulation of driving conditions and virtual safety testing using digital twins. For example, during the development of a new SUV, Ford tweaked the design before building the first physical prototype. The benefits they achieved were a 30% reduction in development time and savings of millions of dollars in physical testing costs. Amazon faced the challenge of handling a growing volume of customer inquiries in multiple languages and markets. The challenge was to reduce query response time and improve the user experience. The solution they adopted was the implementation of virtual assistants and chatbots based on natural language processing (NLP). For example, Amazon's chatbot handles order and return queries automatically. The benefits they obtained were a 50% reduction in response time and a reduction in operating costs in their customer service centers. These cases highlight how AI and digital twins enable companies to improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and accelerate product development. These technologies are key to staying competitive in a constantly evolving marketplace. If you want to implement AI solutions and digital twins in your company to optimize processes, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.